Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing your hardware and image. Use a Raspberry Pi 4 or a small Intel NUC for best results. Flash Home Assistant OS to a 32 GB SD card or a 64 GB SSD for stability. Insert the storage and power the device. Connect the device to your network by Ethernet for initial setup. Open your browser and go to http://homeassistant local 8123 or use the device IP address to continue. After installation, sign in and visit the integrations page to discover devices automatically. Add Philips Hue, Zigbee, Z-Wave, or Nest through on-screen prompts and follow authentication steps. Use the UI for most device setup tasks and switch to YAML when you need advanced customization. Create areas such as living room and bedroom to keep devices organized and easy to find. Tag devices into groups like lights and sensors for simpler automation targeting later. Automations use triggers, conditions, and actions so you can control devices automatically. Build an automation to turn on lights at sunset and to turn them off at midnight. Use clear entity names like light. Living room main to avoid confusion in rules. Schedule regular full snapshots for backup and keep one snapshot offsite or in cloud storage for recovery. Secure your instance with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for your account to reduce unauthorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.